Okay, a common issue or a common request here at Doncaster Motorcycles is replacement of the key fob battery on the BMWs. Nobody seems to can get them apart, so I'll tell you how it's done. Basically, you flick the switch, open the key, and what you have to do is push that bit. You see? Can you see the top? This is the cover. You have to just get your hand in, so hold it with your left hand and then just push. You see how easy that come up? They can be quite tight and they put people off touching them, but they are quite easy. So we'll just put this back together and I'll show you again. Can't help but keyring being on. Right, so did you hear that clip in? So that's the, obviously, so there we go. Zoom in, here we go. So push, hold the key with the right hand and push up with your left thumb onto that inner edge there. Boom. There she's out. And then you get a CR2032. Pop that one out, pop a fresh one in, and the putting back on the cover is just the reversal of how it came off there. Boom, snaps back into place. Hope that was helpful. Share it to all your friends with BMW key fobs.